What's the meaning of boy band? Boy band. Boy band.
Boy band. Boy band. A boy band is a popular music group consisting of young male singers, typically in their teenage years or early 20s. These bands often focus on upbeat, harmonious pop or R&B music and often have choreographed dance routines. Boy bands first became popular in the 1990s and continue to have a strong following today. They are known for their good looks, catchy songs, and devoted fanbase, often made up of young girls. Some notable examples of boy bands include NSYNC, Backstreet Boys, and One Direction.